The Sunseeker Duo is the world's first solar-powered airplane designed to carry 2 passengers. Its wings hold 1,500 solar cells that drive a lightweight electric motor, allowing it to fly on nothing but sunlight. Unlike earlier solar planes that could only carry a single pilot, the Duo makes solar-powered passenger flight possible. Weighing 280 kilograms with a wingspan of 22 meters, it can stay in the air for 12 hours or more. In 2015, Eric and Irena Raymond proved its potential by soaring over the Alps at nearly 15,000 feet without using a drop of fuel. The Sunseeker Duo isn't just an aircraft. It's a glimpse of a future where flight is quiet, clean, and entirely powered by the sun.